Hey there, Hannah here from Graypants. Today we are going to talk about the Murmuration Fixture, yet another custom one. So let's get started. So the Murmuration is an interesting fixture. This is kind of a nice hybrid between our signature scraplight material, which typically only pertains to our standard product, but put into a custom fixture. So a nice hybrid between these two. As many of you know, a murmuration is a flock of birds. This served as our inspiration for this fixture. We wanted to create something that had a feeling of density, texture, and movement to it. So with our version of the murmuration, what you have here are these large fixture installations with these really small pendants. They sit about 6 inches tall, made out of our signature cardboard, and each is individually lit with its own G9 bulb. And you'll notice that each of those pendants almost looks like someone took it and just gave it a squeeze. It has that little feeling of undulation or a little bit of texture and movement to it. And because this comes in our signature scraplight material, we can offer these in both the natural and the white. And you'll notice if you look in the right-hand corner of this photo, there's a little S-bend in the cord. With this particular project, we wanted to hang all of the fixtures at a slight angle, so we hot knifed a little plastic sleeve over the base of the cord, and because that cardboard is so lightweight, it doesn't pull down on the cord, so it can maintain that little curve. So each fixture just hung at a little bit of an angle, giving it, again, that extra feeling of texture and movement to it. We typically provide the murmuration with our Canopy System. We can either provide our 2x4 rectangular canopies that can be tiled together, or we can offer the 3-foot canopy. This was a project that we did that offered kind of an early prototype of that canopy I just mentioned. This version's no longer available, but I just really love this project. I love to show it off. And then in our canopy brochure, we do offer a couple of predetermined configurations that we suggest using both our 2x4-foot canopy and our 3-foot round canopy. These are really suggestions to help you or your specifier get started on ideas. If you want to make something fully custom, just know that's what we're there for. And this is an example of a rendering that we would provide for a potential custom murmuration project. We want you to know what this PDF would potentially look like. So this was a project that we did I believe for a hotel in Florida, and we presented a sort of channel version instead of the canopy version for the murmuration. Just a nice way to show off what one of our drawings might look like. And as always, I want to direct you to the Graypants website. If you head on over to the resource tab, click on there, it's going to take you to our lovely Dropbox. The Dropbox is going to give you everything you need in terms of IES files, installation instructions, additional images. So head on over to Products, and then to Murmuration, and all of the things I just mentioned live in that folder there. So we hope we find that really helpful. Always feel free to reach out to us, reach out to your rep, and we'll talk to you soon.